Welcome back to Stock Tricks with Nick. I'm excited to announce that we'll be putting together videos as a part of a Trading 101 course. The goal of these videos will be to educate beginners or intermediate traders on a variety of different topics. In each of my live streams, we jump right into the complex strategies of buying, selling, and hedging positions. So these videos will help you build the knowledge to understand and apply what we talk about during those live streams. I'm going to be starting with the very basics. What are the different order types to buy or sell stocks? How do you choose a brokerage that fits your goals? What are the technicals that I have on my trading screen, and how do I use them to my advantage? There is plenty to go over with technical analysis, including candlestick patterns, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and how to use volume to identify future breakouts. Once we get through the basics, I'll be sharing my personal risk management strategy, including how to identify the right price to get into a position, when to start scaling out your profits on a winner, and how to cut your losses quick. These are the videos that I wish I watched when I started trading nearly 6 years ago. Accelerate your learning without losing as much as I did by watching these videos each week. Let the mistakes that I made in the past pay your market tuition. If you're looking for a stock trading channel who's going to be honest about how hard trading is and be there to answer any questions you might have, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos. Along with YouTube, follow me on StockTwits and Twitter, where I post daily about the stocks that I'm currently in and what's on my watch list. Both of those links are in the description below. Good luck trading, and I'll see you in the next video.